Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 4 and today we are going to share our presentation about multiple intelligence. Okay, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Naila Tusnia Kamaria with last student number 171. My friend Nia Aulia Dwimasita with last student number 173. Asfia Rahma Maulidia with last student number 177. And Sisti Dwi Rahmawati with last student number 193. So, without further ado, let's start our presentation. The theory of multiple intelligence, proposed by Howard Gardner in 1983, defines intelligence as the ability to solve problems or to create products that are valued within a cultural context. Gardner rejects the traditional view of a single IQ and argues that there are different types of intelligence that individuals possess. Each learner has a unique combination of this intelligence, which means that students bring diverse strengths and potential into the classroom. Recognizing this multiple intelligence allows teachers to provide varied learning activities that cater to students' different abilities and help them achieve their full potential.
Let's continue the core principle of multiple intelligence. Each person has more than one type of intelligence, and these intelligences can grow throughout life. Every learner has a unique combination of traits, so teachers need to recognize and respond to these differences. Learning works best when teaching meets students' strengths. For this reason, teachers are encouraged to design a variety of activities that support all types of intelligences in the classroom. Howard Gardner explains that people learn in different ways through eight intelligences. The first is logical or mathematical. Second is visual or spatial. And then body or kinesthetic. And then musical or rhythmic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, verbal, or linguistic, and the last one is naturalist. Because each learner has unique strengths, so teachers should provide varied activities to support them.
Here we have some examples of lesson plan activities based on multiple intelligence. The first one is a riddle game which helps develop interpersonal and verbal intelligence. Because students communicate and use language creatively, the second is quite imagery with music, which connects to spatial and musical intelligence. Students imagine and visualize while listening to music. Next, group story. Completion focus on interpersonal and verbal intelligence as students work together to complete a story. And the last one is outdoor observation, which develops naturalist and kinesthetic intelligence. Because students explore their environment and learn through movement. So the lesson plan combines different activities to support students with various learning styles. Now, let's move to classroom application. This slide shows how each type of intelligence can be applied in classroom activities. For example, students with logical or mathematical intelligence can learn best through puzzle and logic games because they enjoy solving problems and reasoning. Next, visual or spatial learners prefer using diagrams or mind maps to understand information better. Body or kinesthetic learners enjoy role play and project because they like learning by doing and moving. Musical and rhythmic Learners can learn effectively through song and chants. Interpersonal intelligence means students will like to work in groups or discuss ideas with others, while interpersonal learners prefer journaling and self-reflection, since they understand themselves deeply. Then, verbal or linguistic learners are good at debates and storytelling. Finally, naturalist learners learn best through author exploration and classifying things in nature. So every type of intelligence can be supported through suitable classroom activities.
Okay, on this slide I will explain the benefits of applying multiple intelligence in teaching. First, it respects student diversity. This theory recognizes that every student is different and has their own strengths. By understanding that intelligence is not limited to one type, teachers can appreciate the uniqueness of each learner. Second, it encourages motivation and engagement. When learning activities match student interests and strengths, they feel more excited and involved in the lesson. This makes the learning process more enjoyable and meaningful. Third is it helps students find their unique strength. Through varied learning activities, students can discover what they are good at and build confidence in their abilities. This encourages a positive learning identity. And finally, it develops both academic and social emotional skills. Multiple intelligence not only improve academic performance but also help students work together, express themselves, and understand their own emotion better. So, overall, this approach creates a more inclusive, supportive, and effective learning environment. And the conclusion from our presentation is the theory of multiple intelligence reminds us that there are many ways of being smart. Every learner has a unique combination of strengths that can be nurtured through diversity learning experience. By designing lessons that address all intelligence, teachers can create learning environments that are more holistic, inclusive, and meaningful. This approach not only supports academic growth but also develops creativity, collaboration, and self-awareness. Ultimately, applying multiple intelligence in the classroom helps every student reach their full potential and feel valued for their unique abilities.
That's all for our presentation about multiple intelligence. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope you can understand and enjoy our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.